Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get trade tokens in Clash Royale. In Clash Royale, trade tokens are your ticket to swapping cards with clanmates, helping you level up specific cards faster without relying purely on luck. So, how do you get them? First, keep an eye on special challenges and global tournaments. Many of these reward trade tokens once you hit certain milestones. Next, check the pass royale. Both the free and paid tracks often include them along the reward path. They always show up in the shop, sometimes sold for gems or bundled with other items like gold or emotes. And don't forget Clan Wars. Your war chest can include tokens depending on the season's pool. Lastly, watch for seasonal events or giveaways since Supercell occasionally hands them out there too. With a little consistency, you'll have plenty of tokens to trade and build the deck you really want. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.